Closed-toed shoes are to be worn in the cutting and industrial machine areas of the lab. Eye protection must be worn at an industrial sewing machine if you have just changed the needle, you have just changed or adjusted the presser foot, you have just changed the bobbin, or adjusted or removed the bobbin casing for any reason. Once you have made the first few stitches and are certain the needle, presser foot, and bobbin are all seated in the machine correctly and securely, then you may take off the eye protection. Please make sure to note the safety procedures posted at each station. If something breaks or won't work right, stop using the machine and clearly place the emergency tent on top. Let the monitor on duty or other AIBI staff know that something has gone wrong. This is a heavy-duty leather stitching machine. Like the Juki 8700s, this machine produces a single needle lock stitch. But while the Juki 8700s will stitch lightweight garment leather, this machine is designed to stitch heavy-duty leather, like for bags or even car seats. The leather stitching machine has mostly the same parts as a home sewing machine or the Juki 8700. Thread stand, tension dial, bobbin case and housing, a knee lever to lift the presser foot, and a pedal to control the speed. The biggest difference will be the needle and the presser foot. A leather needle's point will generally have 3 sides to stab through the leather and a slightly larger hole for the thicker thread. This kind of presser foot is called a walking foot. It allows the machine to evenly feed the material through the machine as it stitches. Changing the bobbin is also very different in this machine. First, you must slide back the top plate and lift the little lever on the bobbin case. Then, lift off the lid of the bobbin case and remove the bobbin and thread. To replace the bobbin, set the bobbin and slide the thread into place in the lid. Set the bobbin and the lid into the bobbin case and flip down the latch. Bring the bobbin thread up by manually turning the wheel to move the needle down and back up again. To thread the leather machine, bring the thread from the thread holder through the thread guides. Then, bring the thread around the round thread guide and through the first tension dial, then down around the second tension dial. Make sure the thread goes around the outside of the spring wire and up through the next thread guide before going through the take-up lever from right to left. Next, bring the thread through 3 more thread guides before threading the needle.